The Resources section allows you to manage key visual elements of your app, including icons and splash screens to enhance its visual identity on iOS and Android platforms. For each platform, you can import a PNG icon sized 1024 by 1024 pixels, as well as a splash screen in PNG format sized 2732 by 2732 pixels. For Android devices, there are additional options available to easily configure adaptive icons. You can import both a background and a foreground layer in PNG format, each sized 432 by 432 pixels, to provide an adjustable visual rendering on devices. The icons will mainly serve for notifications on Android. Importing resources is simplified with the drag and drop feature for your selected buttons. Make sure the files meet the dimensions and formats to ensure optimal display. Note that changes made in this section do not take effect immediately. A new app package needs to be generated first, followed by a validated update to effectively deploy these changes for users to observe.